Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Just gonna do a quick check-in today. We got something special in the mail. If you guys are familiar with the Facebook page Dana and I run, it's called Hud's Hobby Room. I know some of you are. There's a gentleman on there that just loves to polish stuff and make it shiny and new. His name's Anthony Ortega. I believe that he calls his little business there Tony's Restos or Tony's Restorations. I haven't been able to get a hold of him tonight. I wanted to get this done. I wanted to get this on video. I don't know if he's got a YouTube channel, and I want to double check what he calls his business, but I wanted you guys to see this. Huh, $4.99 a dozen for eggs. Good deal. So I got to unpack this slowly because there's some pieces parts in here. I don't know. What do you guys think that is? I'm excited. This Tony does phenomenal work. He polishes axe heads. He restores old hammers, polishes those guys up. He's phenomenal. It's just phenomenal what the guy does. And if you've ever polished out a tool that somebody's used over the years, you know that it takes a long time. All right, so there's a bag of parts. Fresh paint. Love that. I mean, just look at the quality already. And that's just the bottom of this thing. I'm not telling you what it is. I know you know what it is. Oh, awesome. Got some stickers. So there you go. Now I know. For sure. Oh man, he sent me a lot of stickers. I owe him some stickers. I only sent him 2. Look at that. Tony's Restorations and Customs. Established 2015. That's an awesome sticker. Thanks, Tony. Got all kinds of stickers in here. What do we got? We got that one that I showed you. Guaranteed highest quality restored hand tools. I can guarantee you that. Tony's Restorations. A card. Awesome. I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys see that. You need to look at my page, Hud's Hobby Room on Facebook, and see some of the stuff that this guy's done. I mean, his work is amazing. Just amazing. I mean, well, and look at the quality of the stickers and the thought that went into those. That, you know, the guy's just got a knack at doing restos on old tools. So yeah, look him up. I mean, every time he posts something on our page, I'm just amazed. Just amazed, because I've polished out a few things. And yeah, I don't do it a lot because, quite honestly, I just don't have the patience. That axe is still sharp. I need to be careful about cutting my finger. Oh, you guys don't even know. You don't even know. I gotta get rid of some of this paper. Fire starter. Hopefully we don't need that for a while now. The screw's out of it, so I gotta be careful. Oh, man, on Friday they built stuff back in the day. Whoo! Oh. Look at that beauty. Look at that little beauty. I gotta make sure you can see that really good. we're gonna pull in on that a little bit. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty. Ooh, mama. Yeah, buddy. Littlestown Rowan Forey Company, New York, New York, made in the USA, baby. USA pig iron right there. Woo! It's just cool. Guy spent some time. We'll put her together. I don't know, it might go right here where this one's at. I needed 2 vices. When I'm building these axe handles, I need one with soft jaws and one with metal jaws. So we'll see. That's to come. That is to come. Whoop. Hey, I'll edit that out of there. Wow. So awesome. Anthony. Dude. Such a beautiful job. Look at the detail. Gold lettering. The top's polished out. The little anvil area is polished out. Oh, those jaws are pretty smooth. We'll see what I can find for soft jaws to, which one, I think they're the same size, a little different configuration, but hey, we'll get her figured out. Look at this. It actually works. That's a bonus. I mean, there's nothing worse. I replaced this handle because that sucker would not move. It'd get stuck. Oh, and it's frustrating when you're working on something. You don't want to work on a dang vise to get the handle out of your way. You want it to fall out the way. So yeah, Tony's Restorations and Custom Restored Hand Tools. Did I say that all right? Yes, I did. Look the guy up. I know he's got these on eBay. He's got them on eBay, and I'll guarantee you they are nice. So awesome. I know it's been a minute. I think there's another. I gotta look in here. I think there might be some more pieces parts. That might just be empty. That might have just been packaging. Yeah, I think he just threw these in there for packaging. Or he might have thrown those in there so I sent him some axe heads. Because he's going to restore those axe heads. And I know they'll look great. So, cool. Got some mailing envelopes. Anyway, right on. Right on, Anthony. I've been wanting one of these for a while. I have. It's just awesome. I'm willing to do it, but if somebody else will do it and I can get it from them, awesome. And I'll guarantee you, I'm not going to quote you a price because it's not my place to do that. It's definitely a reasonable price for what you're getting. I can guarantee you this vise is going to work and it's going to look awesome. Well, it already looks awesome. So yeah, quick little shout out to Anthony. Appreciate it, dude. Really respect your work ethic, man. It takes a lot of time to do this. I know it does. So yeah, hey, man, I'm so excited. I just don't even know what to say. I just don't. I'm just happy. I don't know why you could be happy over a danged old little vise, but I am. It's cool. This is another video altogether. Just a beauty little axe, right? Well, there's some stuff we need to talk about when we're looking at lumber and carving handles. That's another video. We're gonna put this dude to the test, and hopefully I don't lose an eye. That's all I'm gonna say right now. Yeah. All right. Hey, I'm gonna try to throw up a midweek rippa. We'll see. I'm back to work at my regular job now, so the hours are going to be a little funky, but I think they're going to work. So you guys all have a great day. I hope you're having a great week. Now go out and get you some. Okay, I couldn't help myself. I put it together real quick. I should have done it on video because it's really easy. Look at that. Look at that, dude. I love it. See ya.